Good morning. Today is Thursday. Can't even remember what day it is. The main focus I wanted to do today for my video was I wanted to give you guys a look inside of my fridge because I had this girl, I believe her name's Tiffany. She kind of was asking me about macros, and she had said to me, I've been told a little bit about macro dieting, but I just don't know what to eat. The actual beauty of macro dieting is that you don't have to know what exactly to eat. Technically, it's not really like, I can only eat chicken, I can only eat broccoli, I can only eat this type of bread. You're trying to hit your numbers, you're trying to hit the right amount of fat, the right amount of protein, and the right amount of carbs. But I'll show you guys what I've gotten used to eating that helps me hit my numbers. And as far as that goes, you will eventually kind of get into, like, I don't want to say a rut, but just like into a routine. Like, for example, I have things that I eat that have helped me reach my numbers, and if I like those things, I stick to them. Oh, in other news, I hit a low weigh-in. I hit 116, and what's cool about hitting 116 is I had a huge meal last night. Tyler hit a new weigh-in too. Come here.
Come here.
Oh, squat down. Squat down. Squat. Come on,
That's funny. Why?
just say how much you weigh.
Oh. I hit a new high weigh-in of 186.4.
So he's gained about 13 pounds in 5 weeks. Today's a good day for both of us. So this morning I am eating 2 egg whites, 1 whole egg, and I'm just putting this on top of some brown rice that I cooked with some pico de gallo in it. I like to mix pico into like everything I eat. And really what I do is I just kind of loco moco this. If you guys don't know what loco moco is, it's like a Hawaiian dish where you do like eggs on top of rice. Usually you've got bacon and sausage and shit, but usually what you do with loco moco is you just chop up that egg and just mix it all in. And it is delicious. So Tyler and I are both eating on the go. Usually only one of us is eating on the go, but we live life on the edge. We like to eat while we're driving.
Not the safest thing in the world.
So we're on our way to go meet up with Mom. Tyler's been training my mom. My mom used to be a bodybuilder as well. This was her when she was bodybuilding. Look at that hair.
80s go.
Tyler had told me that we could focus on hamstrings today, which I really want to do because the last workout that I did at Dynacore, which is where I'm doing my competitors class, we did legs, and most of it was kind of quad based, and I'm still really nervous about my quads overpowering my hamstrings, so I'm going to take today to just focus on my hamstrings, and I'm excited that Tyler's going to help me do that. Anyhoozle. We are parking and we are going to go work out. I'll probably take some pre-workout because caffeine. Gonna start out with squats. My quads are still really sore, so we'll see. Sore. It actually feels kind of good. I think I'm gonna try and go a little heavy. Okay, so I want a belt for squatting, and I asked Tyler for it. Tyler, what did you say to me? Why don't you tell everybody what you said?
I said when you can squat plates, I'll get you a belt.
So I'm squatting plates, and then I'm getting my belt. Give my belt.
method where you do 2 quarter range of motion. So it's a couple pumps and then you do a full range of motion. So you get a little bit more volume and you get a little bit more blood to the muscle. Her coach is actually the one who showed me this, Dennis. About a quarter of about half. So a quarter of the
This is leg day, Mom, not ab day. Get out of here.
I think I'll be ab, I can get
Mom has completed her workout. How do you feel?
good. Tired.
Well, so Tyler and I are going to do some abs, so bye, Mama.
Bye. Love you. Love you. I love my mommy.
Can you explain the cocktail you just made?
My pre-workout cocktail.
Yeah.
It's Gatorade for the sugar so that I have energy for my workout. Amino acids. They can really be anything. I just like these ones because they taste good. And then I take this before.
Somebody asked me why I want to take aminos.
Yeah.
And I had a hard time trying to kind of come out with it.
Well, I mean, in layman's terms, it just preserves your muscle mass.
Okay.
That's it. I mean, that's really what it does. It's because like your body runs, especially while you're working out, your body can run really low on amino acids. And if you are low on amino acids, your body will start peeling away muscle mass.
Thank you, Sir Tyler.
Yes, Sir Tyler.
My salon owner just booked me a haircut, so I'm gonna have to cut my workout early. I was gonna do abs with Tyler, but I'm glad we got in the cocktail that he does while he's working out, because I think that's really important to know. Tyler and I just got back from Freddy's. We got some lunch here. It's actually 3 o'clock, but it's a late lunch because I had a color that lasted a little bit longer, but I thought I'd show you guys what we got. We're both really, really tired today, so we got a Monster. I went and had them make me a sandwich right here, and I got whole wheat, and I've gotten into the habit of not using cheese, so I decided to put some avocado on there. I put half an avocado on my sandwich, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So this morning I said that we would go through the fridge. I did want to go by Fred Meyer and pick up some more things that like I would usually have in the fridge because we're kind of low right now, but my dad wanted to go watch Terminator Genesis, which was awesome. Arnold is amazing, as always. What my fridge looks like right now. Let's go ahead and start with condiments that I like to use while macro dieting. First one is mustard. I put it, usually I'll just go with mustard on my sandwiches, mustard on my bread or my toast. I really like mustard. I like kind of vinegary tasting things, so. I really like ranch, and it's really hard to come by a dressing that isn't really high in fat. I've been sticking to the Opa Ranch because not only is it good macros, but it's delicious. It's the best tasting like low fat ranch that I've ever had. I always keep pickles because I have stopped using cheese and in my sandwiches, and I found that pickles kind of fill that void for me. I can't believe it's not butter spray. 0 on everything, so I got it because it substitutes for butter for me pretty well for like toast and stuff like that. Egg whites, keep these on hand. Mostly too because I don't really like wasting eggs. Like I don't like throwing out the yolk. I do always keep eggs on hand. In the morning, Tyler and I switch between eggs and pancakes, and I'll do like 1 egg yolk and like 2 or 3 egg whites. So I always keep some cottage cheese on hand because this is a slow release protein. Brown rice because it's really easy to throw in with your meals. Pico de gallo, I already mentioned this, but I pretty much put it on everything. Oh, I do like to keep some applesauce just for the carbs. This has also got no fat in it. And I mean, there's other things that we keep in our fridge that we've become accustomed to, but for the most part, those are the necessities that we've kept with us this entire time. Meats that we've become accustomed to are frozen fish. We do Incerno's chicken a lot. Tuna. Really good protein source. Kodiak cakes, get them. That's what's in my fridge. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look for my next video. Tyler and I are going to be going to Hermiston so he can play some ball. So, I will definitely upload some cool basketball videos next video. Maybe some of our trip in Hermiston. Who knows? We'll do whatever the wind blows. This is my channel. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Remember to like, comment, or subscribe. You can't see it because of his sunglasses, but I can see it. Judgmental eyes.
Judging hard.
Like, he needs the carbs. I don't. So, fuck oatmeal.
Celery with peanut butter on it. I sprinkled chocolate chips.
She's like, I was trying to be good. I had celery with peanut butter. And then she goes, but I put chocolate chips on it.
Chocolate chips.
Teeny cup, does whatever a teeny cup does. That wasn't funny. Go ahead.
Okay, so we're doing
I just tripped. Oh. You never believe it ain't so. Give me my dog.
my dog.
Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. 20, 89, 100.
1001.
You trying to impress me? No.
That's not very hard to do.
Oh, I'm easy.
Yeah, she's easy.
This fuck is trying to say he's better at tennis than me.
Look at these arms, man.
I won the last time we played. That's it. YouTube tennis challenge. We're gonna see who fucking wins. No way. No way. I'm way better at tennis than him. Oh my god. The last like 4 times we played, I won. He seems to forget. Do you really want to be showed up on YouTube? You don't care? Okay, so you're admitting that you will be showed up on YouTube.
No, I won't be.
Oh, okay.
I don't care because I won't be. So
No.
not worried about
Lies. Oh my gosh, you're such a liar. Did you see it?
it. Just pointing.
Oh, there she goes. Oh, she's gonna get it. Oh my god. I think she could have got. Tyler just got his new package. So, this is a body fat calculator thingy. You just hold on with both hands and then it calculates your body fat. And I have no idea what this is. Digital tape measurer.
Next one's gonna have knee sleeves.
Cool.